Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to activate your Atome physical card. First step is to open the Atome app on your phone and make sure you are logged in into your account. If you do not have the latest version, update it from the App Store or Google Play before proceeding. Step 2. Go to the Cards tab at the bottom of your screen and you will see your Atome physical card listed there. Tap on it, then select Activate Card. Step 3. You will be asked to enter the last 4 digits of your card number and verify your identity, usually through an OTP sent to your registered phone number. Enter the code and your card will be activated instantly. Step 4. Once you see the confirmation message, your Atome card is active. You can now view your card details, set your PIN, and start making purchases right away, both online and offline. And that is it. Super simple, right? If this video helped you out, please do not forget to support us with like and subscribe and share it with someone who just got their Atome card. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.